Hello, thank you for joining me today. I was just going to put on some makeup. Not for anything special, it's just that I've been a little bit sick the last days with a sudden temperature drop. So the last days I was in a kind of mood. Foundation. This is a sheer foundation with some skincare ingredients in it, and it's very cheap. I got a new makeup puff. This one is shaped like a bottle of ink. Speaking of ink, I got this black dot here on my hoodie. The day right after I bought this hoodie, my friend gave me a fountain pen. By the way, I really like fountain pens. I really like to collect them. I was really excited about the new pen my friend gave me, so I was using it writing in my journal. And the ink wasn't coming out smoothly. So you know what I did when the ink wasn't coming out smoothly? I shook the pen, and the ink splattered on my new hoodie. Could never wash it off. My lips are really dry. Let me put on a lip balm. Oh, that's all that's left in it. It's a Nivea Original Care. I went through like 4 of these. For brows, this is all that's left in the brow pencil. Ta-da! I'm finally using up some makeup product. Brush it out. Speaking of makeup products, you know I make makeup videos and I put them on the internet. People nowadays call people who do that influencers, content creators. I'm not sure I would call myself one. It's more like a hobby really, so I'm not sure you should put a title to it. Look at that huge pen. The best part about doing what I'm doing right now is that I get free makeup products. I get sent PR products, companies send packages of products like makeup, skincare to me. I have to make videos using these products. I have to use the products on my face, so I only take on brands that I actually really like. This one I received in PR as well. It's from Flortte. It's very, very exciting whenever I get to collaborate with a brand and receive products from them, but it wasn't easy getting here. Using this super pretty palette. A few years ago, I sent my first email to Flortte. I never sent brands emails before. I was super nervous. My heart was literally racing while I was typing it, and I thought for very long before I clicked the send button. I was really proud of myself. I phrased the email nicely and sent it to a brand for the first time, Flortte in that case. And guess what? They never respond to it. But I love the brand, so I kept on buying their new collections, new products, and I kept making videos using them. I don't expect companies to reply to my emails and offer to send me free stuff just because I like them, just because I make videos using them. I bought the products because I really like them and I really wanted these products for myself anyways. I'm not entitled to get free stuff. I don't expect to get free stuff from brands, but I do get very excited and very grateful every time whenever I get an opportunity like that. So yeah, I kept buying Flortte products and I used them in my videos, and after a year or so, I received my first PR package from them. It was 2 eyeshadow palettes and a lipstick. And now fast forward to today, I'm on their PR list and I receive products from all their new collections. And I'm very, very grateful for that. Saved me a lot of money because I would just spend my own money to buy from those collections. Eyeliner. Now I shake with a cap on to avoid this. I like to hook a powder puff on my finger whenever I'm doing eyeliner or drawing stuff on my face because I have extremely shaky hands. I just got the cutest, I'm not even joking, the cutest powder puff out there. It comes in a set of 2. It's a little croissant. I love croissants. I really like under eye moles. Girl, look at my nails. So I just did them this morning. I wanted to do jelly nails. You take a sheer nail polish and you do a light layer. So you add a little bit on the tip of the nails. That's how it looks on this side. On this side, the color wasn't even and I kept painting over it and now it became like this. It's okay, I'm just really bad at doing nails. Now I take the lip balm off. Here's a new lipstick. I haven't tried the color yet on my lips. Looks like a good color for autumn, right? My nose is stuffed, but I can still smell, like, there's a fragrance to it. Oh, it's a really glowy lipstick. Let me put on some powder. Guys, we don't waste powder, so scrape it all back inside. Got a little bit on the edge. On my eyes. Oh, you see how quick that goes? I really like this powder puff. My lashes can't stay curled up. And yeah, that's a very simple everyday makeup look. I hope you will have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye!